In this video, I'll show you how to verify your PayPal account the safe way. Because using a free virtual credit card just to get around verification can lead to problems or even account limits. PayPal says verification is meant to prove that you own the financial details added to the account. The correct option is to open PayPal, go to Wallet or Payment Methods, and add a real bank account or a real debit or credit card that belongs to you. PayPal's Help Center says accounts can be verified by adding and confirming a bank account, and in many regions also by adding and confirming a debit or credit card. If you use a bank account, PayPal may send 2 small deposits that you later enter back into PayPal to confirm ownership. If you use a card, PayPal may place a small temporary charge and ask you to enter a 4-digit PayPal code from your card statement. If your card will not link, PayPal says common reasons include a billing address mismatch, the card being linked to another PayPal account, or your bank declining the authorization. If PayPal is asking for identity confirmation, follow the in-app steps and upload your real ID if requested. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.